The Hyundai Ioniq 5 electric crossover has been a strong player in the EV market, drawing attention for its sleek design, comfort, and overall performance. While it is not as powerful as the Tesla Model Y in terms of driving range, the vehicle has still been a huge success globally. Hyundai has sold hundreds of thousands of units since the vehicle's release, demonstrating the vehicle's high demand and reliability. One key source of concern has been the potential for a defective 12-volt battery, which could leave drivers stranded along the road. The problem is currently addressed through an active recall measure that allows owners to receive the necessary repairs. Despite this minor setback, Hyundai's eGMP platform-based electric cars, like the Ioniq 5, have otherwise been hassle-free and are therefore popular among electric vehicle enthusiasts. A record case has emerged demonstrating the durability of the Ioniq 5. A particular car has accumulated an amazing 413,992 miles in 3 years or so, likely being the most mileage Ioniq 5 to date. This amounts to a daily use of 378 miles, over many average gasoline vehicles can tolerate within a similar time period. Even while traveling so great a distance, the car has had issues, but none of them were disaster-type problems. Regular maintenance, such as differential oil and brake fluid top-offs, have been performed in order to keep the car operational. The lone exception was when the integrated charging control unit malfunctioned, rendering the car unable to charge from an AC source. The car did briefly go into limp mode, which did not become a recurring problem. The highlight of this high-mileage drama occurred when the high-voltage battery was replaced at about 360,000 miles. Interestingly, this was done for free by Hyundai Motor at its Namyang R&D Center, even though Hyundai's standard battery warranty is mileage-dependent. Apparently, the old battery had an 87% state of health before it was replaced. Because the owner overcharged the battery to 100% on multiple occasions and performed DC fast chargers often, the battery has a long life. Hyundai to replace it, gratis, might have had a reason either to monitor its performance or as a public relations stunt given the milestone. Hyundai covers the battery warranty for 10 years or 100,000 miles in the United States. If a comparable high-mileage instance were to occur beyond warranty, replacement cost for batteries would likely be significant, in the tens of thousands of dollars. This is still not a frequent occurrence, however. The typical American driver, by estimates from the U.S. Department of Transportation's Federal Highway Administration, puts on approximately 13,500 miles per year. At that rate, it would take about 30 years to hit the 413,000-mile mark. So this case is an outlier. This impressive performance of this high-mileage Ioniq 5 goes against most presumptions about EV longevity. Perhaps the largest concern for future EV buyers is battery degradation over time, but this case suggests that modern battery tech, even with heavy DC fast charging, can handle harsh conditions extremely well. The fact that the battery maintained 87% of its health after hundreds of thousands of miles speaks volumes about Hyundai's engineering efforts in the EV sector. Another aspect of curiosity is the overall lifespan of the car. Most internal combustion engine cars experience extreme wear and tear after they reach 200,000 miles, requiring major engine or transmission overhaul. This Ioniq 5, however, continues to run with no major mechanical failures aside from the normal replacement of the battery. The reason that it has no internal combustion engine, fewer moving parts, and no conventional transmission parts must have something to do with it. One could not overstate the significance of routine maintenance either. The owner's promptness in fluid replacement and other issues as they arose assisted the car in enduring the type of driving it was subjected to on a daily basis. This truly emphasizes the severity of initial vehicle care in both EVs and ICE-powered vehicles. This case also poses questions regarding how warranty policies will have to adjust. Although the existing 100,000-mile battery warranty provides drivers with peace of mind, cases like this one suggest that batteries readily double or triple such expectations before experiencing meaningful decline. Manufacturers will be compelled to revisit their warranty arrangements as EV technology continues to evolve, and on-road experience demonstrates these vehicles are resilient to endure harsh mileage conditions. The implications of this case extend far beyond Hyundai. Other automobile manufacturers producing EVs will analyze such high-mileage cases as blueprints for improving battery life and overall vehicle durability. The more EVs demonstrate such durability, the higher consumer confidence in the technology will grow, accelerating the transition away from fossil fuel burning transportation. Additionally, this case gives valuable details on the prospects of second-hand EV markets. Prospective customers of used electric cars typically have battery longevity and health concerns in mind. Seeing a Hyundai Ioniq 5 cover over 400,000 miles with minimal issues may encourage more customers to buy used EVs with higher mileage, knowing that battery efficiency can be as new if properly maintained and charged. The global EV market is still in its early stages, and real-world examples like this provide useful data to manufacturers and researchers. As battery chemistries and charging infrastructure improve, the prospects for EVs to outlast their gasoline-powered counterparts increase daily. The Hyundai Ioniq 5's remarkable ruggedness sets the bar higher, demonstrating that EVs not just perform well as daily drivers, but are also ready to handle commercial vehicles' usual high-mileage demands. The story of this high-mileage Ioniq 5 is a testament to the progress made in electric vehicle technology. Hyundai's decision to replace the battery at 360,000 miles reflects an interest in pushing the boundaries of EV performance and reliability. This case highlights the potential for EVs to remain in service for far longer than skeptics might have believed, reinforcing their role in the future of sustainable transportation. As more high-mileage EVs are found, the auto industry will just keep improving with battery life, warranty periods, and overall vehicle life. Hyundai Ioniq 5's record-breaking milestone feat is not just a peculiar achievement, but also a solid indication of the future of electric mobility on a brighter note. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all our latest content. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below. And of course, stay tuned for more exciting videos. See you next time.